Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Thursday morning, September 30th, and we are looking at Window Trader's market profile of SPY, IWM, and triple Qs. And once again, today, last night, perfect example why M period, the day of, is just so not only unpredictable, but not a good gauge of what's to follow. I mean, look what happened on the 28th when they just absolutely gave everything up from the top of the single prints all the way down, only to open above. And now again, just like yesterday, K to M took back the entire day. We were trading above yesterday's high so far pre-market. Now we've come in, but still right at the top of M's range. Talk about how unpredictable it is and why it's not you have to take it with a grain of salt the day it happens. Look at Russell. Russell again pushed lower. They're at the upper end. Triple Qs also at the upper end of M's range. Last day of the quarter. Very important things to keep in mind for both the NASDAQ and the S&P. There's a possibility of an outside month down. Neither one of them want to see that. We'll see if the bulls are able to defend that. Russell is purely in balance on the monthly, although they did have a miserable failure coming out of an inside month to the upside this month. There will be no videos after this morning until maybe Sunday. I'll just do one to recap the charts on all three of these indices, and then Monday morning we'll be back to normal. As far as destinations, the only ones I'll give you this morning, you should have everything I gave last night. Overnight high right now in SPY is 438. Overnight low is 434.33. So, game plan. Again, we had an inside day. You come out of it, you go with it, and monitor it for continuation or, just as importantly, lack of. Now, right now the daily's down. If we take out yesterday's high, it becomes a 3-day balance, which means the 28th high will be the top of the balance. So if you do get up there, balance rules will apply. And don't forget, we have the fairly large gap above that. If you come out of yesterday's range to the downside, well then certainly the 28th low is going to fall. And then I'll tell you right now, there is not much stopping us from possibly testing last week's low. Okay, those are the things to consider with this inside day. Game plan right now. So again, take it out from the upside, you get long and monitor it for continuation or lack of. Same on the sell side as you look for the short. Prior to that happening, look what's going on. Just like yesterday, I said expect extreme chop. Well, boy, are you getting that. Tremendous chop right now inside of yesterday's range. Good chance you'll get that throughout the morning. There was nothing to lean on. We only had an 8-wide POC. So right now, look where we're trading, right by the 8-wide POC. So until that initial balance forms and we get maybe some sense of direction, expect extreme chop. To tell you there's a play here is silly, right? There really isn't. There really isn't a play as far as I'm concerned this morning. So I'd wait for us to come out of the inside day to either side, or once more market generated information forms, if we're one-time framing up to take a long to see if we take it out, or a short if we're one-time framing down to take out yesterday's low. And then on the chart, last day of the month, again, in SPY. Now remember, the dividend plays a factor, so 436.10 is last month's low. Right now we're below it more than ES because we have the dividend to deal with. So it'll be more important to see if ES closes inside of last month's range or below it. Monthly is balance. Weekly is down. 3 days in, possible inside week. But right now the weekly is down, and the daily, again, I'm calling it down, even though it's an inside day yesterday. We take out the upside, we come into a 3-day balance. We come out to the downside, the downward movement continues. Good luck trading today. Good luck trading tomorrow, first day of the quarter. Remember, you might get some fresh money into this market tomorrow, first day of the fourth quarter, first day of the month. And we'll speak. I'll probably have a video on Sunday, if not Monday morning.